So this is the drawer that I'm about to be tackling. See how the bags broke? And I've just kind of got things just, everywhere. There's things underneath things. There's just earrings, random earrings laying around just like wherever. So, more earrings here. Yeah, so I'm going to be tackling this drawer. I'm going to remove everything out of this drawer, and I've got some organizers here in this bag. Let me show y'all. So, I got these essential organizers, and I'm going to try to organize all my earrings and jewelry and stuff like this. And I'm going to take everything out of the drawer, and we're going to get it all organized and good. That way I don't keep having problems. And this is like all the little compartments and stuff that it has. So I thought it was going to be really good for like earrings and stuff, because right now I just kind of have my earrings inside here, and then like jewelry inside there. I mean, look at this bag. Like, that's what I've literally had things in, and now the bag's broke, so we need to get rid of that. We need to get our life together. Oh, yeah, see, here's everything that was inside that bag, just like randomly inside of the bag. All my hair ties, earrings, more earrings. Yeah, we're gonna get it organized. Oh, my roller broke. Alright, stay tuned for the organization part. So this is what I've got going on so far. So I've got long earrings in this container. I've got red earrings in that container. These are earrings. That way at least I can, just grab and go, because now I kind of know better what I've got. So I've got hair ties, big loop earrings in here because the big ones wouldn't fit in there. I've got bracelets here. This is a set. This is a necklace with matching earrings. These are bigger earrings, so I've got those in there. These are all my fall earrings, which is fine for me to put back in here, because that way, I mean, they're organized, and, I know what I've got, and it's all together. So that's what this is all about, knowing what you've got. And then I might put a little tape or something on here that says fall earrings, because this is just what I use for fall only. See, some of these haven't even been taken out of the wrappers yet. They're still in there, because I haven't worn them all yet. More. These are my little pumpkins. And then, like I said, these are still in the wrapper. Ones that are still in the wrapper, I'm just going to stack on top of each other. These are also still in the wrapper. So all the fall earrings can go in there. And then these, so I've got all my pink ones. This is more like a rose gold. I don't know how it's showing up on the video, but it's more rose gold. And these are little pinker, These haven't even been taken out of the wrapper either. These are red. I think these are navy blue. These haven't been taken out of the wrapper, and these haven't been taken out of the wrapper. So we're making a dent in it, right? So I have more over here that haven't been taken out of the wrapper either. So yeah, we're making some headway. And that's why I like looking and kind of seeing what I've got. That way I know where it's at. Okay, so this is a really pretty turquoise set that I have. It's a necklace, and it has 2 earrings that go with it. And since I have turquoise over here, I'm probably just going to add those to this set here. That way, we know what we've got, right? So those are going in there. And then this can be, all this. I've got my bag here because this is like throwing away stuff.